Hi guys, today we're gonna do the plow walk around. So basically, Can-Am plow. So this is the plow. Let me show you. It's a little dirty, but that's the Can-Am 72-inch plow. It's got the 3-inch extensions on each side, which basically you have to drill 4 holes on each side. And then it's got the blades to hold the snow in on each side. It's got the Can-Am. Then I got my little orange flags there, so I know what the edges of where the blade is. Had no choice to add the 3-inch extensions because the tracks put me at exactly 72, and 72, as you can see, would have put me dead flush with it. And then having the tracks, well, you got no choice but to add this little section right here, which adds an extra hook, which would normally, the hook would be here on the blade, and that's it. And this would actually be further back underneath here, so that's just covered. So you need that extension. And if you're gonna build a plow like this, don't even think of doing it without a pulley system, because you're gonna just snap ropes and everything. So basically, that's pretty well it. So you got the extension, you got the plow, you got the plow mount bracket underneath, you got the flags, you got the extensions, you got the blades at the end to keep the snow in, and that's about it. And then we go and how easy it is to hook up the plow. So basically, you got your rope, turn your dial so it's free spool, pull yourself some slack, simple, relock it in place, just hook to your right hook to the top, that's it for that. Grab your pulley system, enter your pulley, put it on there, you got a pin, slide the pin in the hole, you got a cutter pin, lock it in place, and then you got this little pulley system here that helps you lift up your plow. So basically, just put this underneath the rope, and as you can see, it's quick connects on each end. And I got the new plow mount, which is flush. So if you look underneath, let me get my knees here. If you look underneath, it doesn't stick out anywhere. It hooks up right there at the top, higher than the A-arms. That's where it hooks up. So basically there's no grabbing, nothing. And it straightens the front end, believe it or not. It reinforces all your bars. So that sets it up. And then with the quick connect, though, when you take it off, all you need to do is press on this pedal, which, as you can see, releases the locks. So let me show you how easy it is. So basically, once you're all hooked up like that, all you need to do is winch in. As you can see here, if you're off a little bit, all you need to do is re-drop it. Pull your plow a little bit. Get it lined up really easy. If your plow's not lined up properly, you just pull it in, and that's it. And then make sure you undo your pulley after you're done, because if you don't, it's gonna go and hit underneath and you're gonna scrap everything. I did it before, believe me. I learned the hard way. Just wanted to let you guys know. So, and then after that, well, ready to go up. And this is how, that's what you pee. This is how high you can actually go. If you take a look there, that's pretty high there. That's about 2 feet, 2 to 2.5 feet high. I could probably bring it till it hits underneath the front, but you don't need to bother with that. So. And that's it for that. And then to disconnect it, once you're done, loosen it all up. And all you do is the yellow pedal. And that's it. You slap it down. Maybe you want to put a cushion underneath if you don't like the noise or anything. That's it. And then just repeat what we did for the install. Remove the pin and slap your pin back in so you don't lose anything. And cutter pin. And that's basically it. So then just roll back up, pull back in your winch cable, and you're done. So this is what the plow looks like. It's got the springs, so when you hit something stiff, it'll actually pivot forward and you don't break anything. And believe me, I've been rough on this. We had rain in the middle of the winter this winter, and it froze. So when I hit the snowbanks, I don't know if you see the first video when I'm doing it at night, it had rain 3 days before that. That's why I was taking it very easy in the snowbanks, because it was a dead hit. It would stop you right in your tracks. You'd almost kiss the steering. So that's it. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a minute. And appreciate all you guys viewing this there. I'm just doing this as a hobby for now, so hopefully you guys keep watching. I'll keep making them. All right, we'll see you later. Be safe, guys.